Today we're going to take a look at solving one-step algebra problems. Okay, so this is an algebra problem because it has a variable and an equal sign. So the equation works like the two halves to it. They each are in balance. This side is worth 26, so this side is worth 26. So I know you can figure out 8 plus whatever is 26, but let's look at it algebraically because the problems are going to get more difficult. To get this variable by itself, and that's the ultimate goal, I need to get rid of whatever's with it on the same side of the equal sign. And in order to do that, I need to do its opposite. If I'm adding this 8, the opposite is to subtract 8 on both sides. Let me make my marker a little smaller for you. And I'm going to draw a big fat line. And these are opposites, so they cancel out, and I'm left with v is equal to whatever 26 minus 8 is, and that's 18. So you just solved your first algebra problem. V is equal to 18. Let's take a look at number 3. Again, there's two sides to the problem, this being the balance scale, the equal sign. What can I do to get that b all alone? Well, I again have adding 15, so the opposite of adding 15 would be to minus 15. And if I do something to one side, I do it to both sides so that I keep it in balance, otherwise my scale would be out of whack. Again, my opposites cancel, and I have b is going to be equal to 23 minus 15, which is 8. Okay, let's try another one. I have m plus 4 is equal to negative 12. Again, I have an adding 4, so its opposite would be 2 minus the 4. And if I do something to one side, I do it to both sides. My opposites will cancel, and I have m is equal to negative 12 and negative 4 will combine forces to make a negative 16. Taking a look at number 7, again I have two sides, but this time I have a minusing 9. So the opposite of minusing 9 would be to add 9 to each side. Draw my big fat line. My opposites are going to cancel out, so I'm going to be left with just the m, which is what I want. And it's going to equal whatever negative 13 and positive 9 are. Well, the negatives are going to win by 4. If you wanted to go back and check your work, you could. Is negative 4 minus 9 going to be negative 13? Absolutely. Okay? So that was that's on page 32 in your packet. If you want to give the rest of that page a try.